Alright y'all, so in the last clip, I just put my wig on, but I went off camera and I laid it down, well, laid my baby hair down because this is a glueless unit. If you have not watched my previous video, which is me unboxing this hair, go check it out. It's going to be in the card above. You could just click on that, watch it, and then come back here and finish watching me spray this wig. So right now, we're about to style it. Right now, my baby hairs are drying, but we're going to go ahead and style the rest of this hair. I don't know if I want to wear it up like this or if I want to wear it on the side part. So I'm gonna just wet it down first and then we'll see. But yeah, so what I've noticed about this hair since I've installed it and whatnot is that the front, well, not the frontal, because it's not even frontal, the closure is really dry. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, but when it dries, like when it air dries and stuff, it gets super duper dry to where it looks frizzy, and I don't really like that. So yeah. And then I ended up having to cut the hair because it was shorter than 16 inches, which is what I ordered. And it looked weird whenever the way it was. So I had to cut it, and I always did want a curly bob. So I figured this was the best time to go ahead and cut it. So right now I'm just wetting it up for y'all. And I just use this. I just use this to lay my baby hairs down, and I got this from Walmart, y'all. But ever since I bleached the knots on this frontal, ever since I bleached the knots on this closure, it's been acting real funny, and it's been drying out, and it's been shedding. Like, this is how much I've got just after I washed the bleach out, but it's still shedding. So I feel like I need to take my review that I gave it at first back, because at first this was a 10 out of 10, but now it's dropped down to like a 8. 1 point was taken away because they sent me the wrong inches, and I did contact them, and they've been giving me the runaround, so I just feel like they wasn't gonna try to fix the problem, so I just went ahead and cut it because why not? And then 2, this whole closure is like acting ass. So I mean, I still like it for the curl pattern when it come up close, but this is the curl pattern, and I think it's really cute if it wouldn't dry out, you know? So if y'all have any suggestions on what I can put in the hair so that it doesn't dry out, leave them in the comments below. So right now, let's see. All right, and then this is the back of the hair. It still has a lot of movement, like I said in the last review, but I just don't like how dry it's getting in the funnel and how it's constantly shedding every time I run my hands through it. I'm not a fan of it. I hope it came out cute. Honestly. Woo! Baby. What lace? What lace? The lace on it was, I don't know if I put it in one of the clips above, but the lace on it was super duper white. So I just went ahead and got some foundation and put it, like foundation powder, and put it inside like the lace of it. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about this hair. What y'all think? Y'all think it's cute?
2 weeks later.
Hello. Hey friends. What's good? I wanted to give a short update on this hair. If you did not watch my previous video, then go ahead and watch that and then come back and finish this one. But basically this hair was from Yyong Hair, and it was 3 bundles and a 7x7 closure of Malaysian deep wave. The 7x7 closure, it was really good actually. I had no complaints about it. The only thing about it was if you plan on buying a 7x7 closure, you have to make sure that you know how to lay it on the wig cap, because since mine was a square 7x7 and not like square in the front and round off in the back, so that's that on the closure. As far as the bundles, they were shorter than I expected. I did contact the seller, and they basically refunded me $25, which isn't bad. It was 1/4 of what I spent on this hair, so cool. And also this hair sheds really bad. Whenever I did my initial review, it didn't shed much. It didn't matte. It had a lot of flow to it, but now that I've washed the hair and I've installed the hair, it's actually the complete opposite. It sheds a lot, it mattes a lot, and it is super duper dry. Like, it doesn't look dry now because I did just wet it because I'm finna go to work, but once it's like dry, like completely air dry, it is dry. Like, sis, like the desert is on top of your head, and I honestly don't like it. So as far as this hair, if I had to rate it from 1 to 10, I probably give this hair a 5, and I definitely wouldn't recommend this hair for anybody who's looking for hair that'll give you longevity. This hair is probably like you make it into a wig and you wear it every blue moon, or you get a sew-in and you wear it once. But I definitely wouldn't recommend the actual hair for like a long period of time, because it will not last. Like, and you're gonna hate it because in the nape it gets like super duper matte back there, and the only way to comb it out, you have to wash it first or wet it first and then put a lot of conditioner in it and then comb it out. And it's actually, but on the bright side, when it does dry, the curls on it are like really cute. So that's the plus on that. But I figured that I give a quick update on the hair, because I didn't feel like it deserved a video on its own, because I just didn't feel like wasting my time on it. But yeah, that was the update on this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick video, and I hope it was to your likings and very informative, and I hope you guys took something away from this video. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, as well as comment down below. Like always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.